Ready, set. Let's go into the video.
So the first thing we're going to do to make our chalk paint is we are going to combine a half a cup of cornstarch and 2/3 of a cup of water. And we're going to go ahead and mix that in a bowl until it is smooth. You do want your mixture to be a little thinner, so that way it will paint on the cement better. You can make it a little thicker, just depending on your preferences. So this mixture should be enough to fill up 6 tins. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my tins. Now the girls are going to be painting a bigger picture, so we're actually going to make a double batch so we can make 12 colors. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take food coloring and some toothpicks, and you are just going to start dyeing your cornstarch. You can use the regular liquid food coloring. Just hold on. And you can mix it to whatever darkness you want. So the girls and I are going to go ahead and get all of their colors mixed and fill up the tray, and then we'll bring it outside where we will go ahead and start painting what I set up for them. So what I did was I just took some masking tape and I actually just taped out a bunch of geometric shapes on the cement, and the girls are actually just gonna go and they're gonna start painting it in, and we will see what it looks like when it's done. Go ahead, girls.
Are you gonna pop out of you with Disney? Let's just pop